Okay, this is a new property here in Gulf Breeze. And this is gonna be a fixer-upper because this bank or servicer, they don't lift a hammer. I mean, they don't do any repairs. All they'll do is property preservation stuff like clean up the yard, keep code enforcement down. I don't even know if they'll even tarp the roof again, but you can see the roof once was tarped, but it's been so long it's already blown off. You've got the front window with busted seal, condensation, you can see that. So it's a brick facade in the front and vinyl on the sides and back. And it's completely overgrown. Neighbor said this property's been sitting up for over a year. Previous owner passed away. Wow. Yeah, the roof's an original 3-tab roof, and I mean it's shot. I think this house was built in the early 80s. I'm gonna have to look, maybe 2000. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't remember. But it's completely overgrown. But what a great subdivision. You're 2 blocks from Oriole Beach boat ramp, which is a public boat ramp. You can put smaller boats, jet skis, all that kind of fun stuff in the water. You can walk down there. Got a lot of friends that live around here, and they talk about walking down to the boat ramp Saturday and Sunday evenings and watching all the drunks come in who don't know how to trailer a boat. Pretty comical, but you're only 2 blocks away from here. I mean, you can walk. You're less than a mile from Oriole Beach Elementary School. There's a lot of nice houses. This is definitely the worst in the neighborhood. There is no mandatory HOA here, so I know a lot of people really like the no HOA factor, but man, this house is gonna need some work. And I can't wait to see what the inside looks like. Because you know when a roof's set up that long with missing shingles like that, you know there's gotta be some water damage on the inside. Wow. What? It's got a pump, so it probably has a well. You can barely see the AC unit back there. It's probably shot. I mean, this is gonna probably be a total major rehab. But like I said, haven't seen the inside yet, so no clue on what it's gonna look like. But hopefully we'll have access pretty soon.